Kayla. Hello. Today's vlog is gonna be very much homebody vibes. I'm getting ready for the holiday season. I won't be spending Thanksgiving in DC, so I'm kind of prepping all the decorations and getting presents ready a little bit earlier on. I'm decking out the loft, and it's the first real holiday season that I'll ever spend here in the East Coast. The first task we have today is to create some little baby photo cards that I'm gonna be giving to my friends and family. I have the Canon Ivy mini printer right here, and I'm gonna use this to print out all the photos. Y'all have seen me use the older generation of these in my videos before, so I'm very excited to showcase a new one. Thank you so much to Canon for sponsoring this portion of the video. Y'all already know I love scrapbooking. I'm a sentimental person, so ever since I started using it, the Canon Ivy mini printer has been my favorite scrapbooking partner. This is the perfect gift for yourself and others this upcoming holiday season, especially if you love decorating, journaling. The mini printer connects via Bluetooth, and it's small enough to fit in your bag and backpack to take with you on the go. Since I'm making photo cards, I'll also be using washi tape, scissors, writing utensils, a lot of stickers. We're talking about sticker mania, and some heavy cardstock. Since I am the dedicated photographer and candid taker of the friend group, it makes sense that I have all these cute photos of people, so I'm gonna open up the mini print app and connect it to the Canon Ivy mini printer via Bluetooth, and I'm selecting this really cute photo of Lauren to print out. After taking an obligatory break to pet Kayla, we're gonna print out the rest of the photos, which uses the zinc photo paper. It's this special ink-free photo paper. You heard me right, ink-free, and it produces clear, smudge-free images. And if you'd like to add some frames, fun text, emojis, you can do so right within the Canon mini print app. Now that I got all these cute photos of my friends, we're going to attach them to pieces of cardstock, and it's very convenient that all the zinc photo paper is actually adhesive on the back, so you can peel it off and then stick it wherever you like without any glue or tape. Each photo is 2x3, but I wanted a little bit more space to decorate around the border with stickers and washi tape. I'm also gonna write little notes on the back, but this is such a lovely, fun way to personalize some really cute, easy gifts for your friends this upcoming holidays. So be sure to check out the Canon Ivy mini printer. Link is below in my description, and thank you to Canon for sponsoring this portion of the video. Hello, this is Editing Lynn, because I have a disclaimer. If you're a friend from IRL and you know I'm getting you a Christmas present this year, you have to click off this video right now, because I may or may not mention it in this video, and if I find out that you spoil yourself and you figure out what I'm gonna give you before I actually give it to you, I will be very upset, even though, like, you know, I clearly prefaced this video with a warning. So please log off now. I love you so much. Thanks for trying to support me, but watch this video after Christmas. Kayla says I agree. She supports this notion. Whee! Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
Oh, okay. Stop recording.
Okay. You want the rice? Whatever it is, you will die. For 9 p.m.
Try. What is with this egg? Yeah, my mom would show me right now,
But that's okay.
Alright, this is Max kitchen. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. No caramel.
Now it's a bit dark brown. Eggs.
Oh no, Tito. That's not accurate.
기다렸어요 오랜 시간을 밤이 지나고 빛이 쏟아지길 삶이라는 건 답이 없었고 하루하루가 버거웠던 나들 눈물 짓던 시간 속에 그댈 만난 건 선물이죠 지금이란 순간에 그대가 있어 완성이죠 이 사랑 소중한 걸요 고마웠어요 어느 날 문득 걸어온 길을 되돌아봤을 때 외로웠던 걸음
Hello everyone, it is now so late at night, it's almost 1 a.m. My bangs are dying, which is a sign that Lynn needs sleep. But I just finished setting up the Christmas tree and the garland. I never thought that a fake tree and some glass balls would make me so happy. It's not even Thanksgiving yet, but I think I'm just extra eager to celebrate the holidays this year, so. And I already have some presents to wrap because I'm just that on top of it. I want to break into the new gift wrapping paper I got because I run out every single year. And the bottom of the tree is kind of looking naked without any presents, so I thought it'd be fun to put some there. And while I'm wrapping the presents, I thought I'd just talk about my thoughts on the holiday season, how I feel about Christmas. But before we get into that, can we please look at this duck? It's a duck bag. It's a duck bag, and my friend is gonna die. Also, if you are still watching a video and you're a close friend, you need to get off this video right now. I told you to leave at the beginning and you're here. Anyways, this is for my friend Maggie. I feel like all the movies and shows and advertisements we see around the holiday season just brings in this certain type of warmth and cheer that we're expected to feel. Back in my day, it was the Hallmark movies, it was Santa Claus 1, 2, 3, but you know what I mean. You snow-covered rooftops, gingerbread cookies, a Christmas ham, like all that stuff that you think of when you think of the holidays. And to be frank, in my immigrant Asian household, the holidays were not like that. It's strange that the holidays are supposed to have this connotation of joy and coming together, reunion, And for me, the holidays is such a mixed bag. And I know a lot of people feel this way. Like, is it really the holiday season if you haven't had an argument with one of your family members yet? Like, is it really? Not for me. Not for me, it's not. And I feel like it's really easy to romanticize this time of the year and to romanticize even my relationships with people. And coming into the Christmas season uncuffed, not a relationship, recently in a breakup, not ready for my extended family to question me on my dating and love life. No, I'm both excited and nervous for Christmas and Thanksgiving. But one thing that will never ever change for me is that I just love being able to appreciate my loved ones and spend time with them. I'm a big gift giver. I like getting presents that are unique or I think people would really love and use. And I'm not afraid to spend my money on people. Now that I do have an income, I just want to spoil the people I love. And for me, it's definitely less about the material item and more just about making sure that the people in my life know that I think of them. And sometimes when I see things, it reminds me of them. And as someone who still hasn't finished their undergraduate years of college, going home for winter break is the longest I spend with my family for the entire year. Usually I go home for 3 weeks to a month, and then I'm usually just in DC for the rest of the year. And it's such a strange feeling to come home to family and to be living out of a suitcase, you know? To be living in maybe your childhood room or on the couch if your room got converted into an office like mine, but to feel like a guest even though you're surrounded by your family members. It's such a strange feeling. And I think this year is actually the first year that I'll be spending the holidays in DC. I think family's gonna come visit me versus me going back home. So it's gonna be a different year, but I'm excited because none of my family have come visited me since I've moved to DC. And like a big reason like why I got a tree is because I'm really excited to share this space with others. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, y'all. I hope this was a wholesome little vlog of me getting prepped for the holiday season because it's gonna be hectic as heck this year. I hope everyone has a very lovely, restful break. But yeah, thanks for sticking around. I'ma see y'all in the next video. I'ma go to bed now. Bye-bye. Mwah. Love.
Look at me.